everyone, I am Neha. Today we proudly celebrate our 18th Independence Day. On this occasion, I am going to speak about one of the bravest women freedom fighter of India. Can you guess who she is? She was a fearless queen. She fought against the British to protect her kingdom. She was an excellent horse rider and skilled sword fighter. She is remembered as a symbol of courage and patriotism. Yes, it's Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was born on 19th November 1828 in Varanasi. Her childhood name was Manikarnika. People love to call her Manu. From an young age, she learned horse riding, sword fighting and archery. She married Raja Gangadhar Rao, the king of Jhansi, and became the queen of Jhansi. She tied her sandbag, rode her horse, and fought bravely in the battlefield. She never gave up. During the first war of India independence, she fought with a great courage. Rani Lakshmibai sacrificed her life on 18th June 1858 while fighting for her country. Her courage and patriotism continues to inspire us even today. Rani Lakshmibai teaches us to be brave, honest and love our country. She is remembered as one of the bravest women in Indian history. Let us remember our freedom fighters and make our country proud. Thank you, Jai.